Hey, what's going on guys, it's Lewis here for a new video, and today we are on our way up to the body shop to get a quote because I've just got my wide arch kit from Airtec, and we'll speak more about that in a little bit. We're going to go up to the body shop, get a quote. First of all, I need to dispose of all of this packing that Airtec put in there. Alright guys, so I just got back from the body shop. I got a quote on the arches, and for all 4 arches I was very surprised. It was £100 for painting, which is really cheap compared to other body shops that I know, and I've heard these guys do a really good job as well. They're only down the road literally, so the plan is to get them painted at a later date, so maybe like next week, maybe in a few weeks, but for now I really want to fit them to the car. And the reason why I want to fit them to the car so bad is, one, because having wheels that protrude from your arches are illegal, and 2, it looks ridiculous and I just want to tidy it up. And I don't mind if the colour is like an off-white, I just want them on, because I'm sure some of you guys know how it is when you get a new piece, you want to put it on. So we're going to be bolting the arches on, and some of you might be like, what about the clean look? But me personally, I like the look of the bolts. I think it looks clean. Obviously I'm not going to go overboard and put like 400 bolts in it, like Japanese like stance cars and stuff, but I just want them to be bolted on because, I don't know, it's just easier and it looks better in my opinion. Does it look cleaner? No, but that's not really the look that we're going for anymore. Alright, so we just arrived at Will's place. This is literally the poshest place ever. It's got like moving gates and shit. This is pretty dope. So we're gonna go now and say hello to Will, and then we're gonna crack on. This is the slowest gate ever. Oh my god, that's so cool. He's got like a bloody automatic garage as well.
Uh-oh. It's only 3.
Wait, what? Is there? Oh, you made me, you seriously made me, I'm not even joking, you made me shit myself then. Yeah, right guys, so wide arches are all in the boot here. We're going to fit those today. Alright guys, so yeah, we're at Will's house now, and basically I haven't got a lot of battery left. I've literally got like 20% battery, so I'm only going to record the most important bits of fitting them, but it's really straightforward as far as I'm aware. We're literally just going to drill through and bolt it all together. That's pretty much it. By the way guys, check out Will's dad's car, it's absolutely on point. That number plate as well, mate, that's a pretty dope number plate right there. Pardon?
Do you want me to start?
Start the... You allowed?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Go for it. Alright, so car's up in the air now, and we are getting ready to start doing the drilling. So as you guys can see here, the felt's all off, and this is double skinned on the back, so we're going to have to figure out a way to bolt it in from the back, but the front is single skinned, so that's all good. That'll be really easy. Just got to peel back the arch liner and literally just put the bolts in.
So what, like on there and one there, and just,
yeah,
or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, seems good. Drill my arches.
Yeah, it's easy access there, all bumper.
Yeah, that'll be piss.
And then like there.
Simple!
Fine.
No, yeah, like further, yeah, like that, yeah. That's pretty much perfect. Holes are marked, well, holes are drilled, sorry, in the arches, so we're going to line it all up now. Yeah. That looks about right, man, yeah. We're going to mark it all up on the car and then start drilling. There's no going back now. Alright guys, so that's all the holes drilled now. The first arch is literally about to go on. So I just want to let you guys know, for those of you that are wondering, are you going to cut your arches? I probably will eventually. At the moment, it's more so because I'm looking to raise the front a little bit. I'm not looking to cut the arches at the moment. Arch number 2 is going on now. You can see arch number 1 is on, and it looks absolutely insane. Just look at how wide this is from the back. Look how wide that is now. It's definitely not going to have any problems keeping the wheel in there.
Top 5. That's that.
Alright guys, so last update, because it's getting really dark now. The wide arches are all on, pretty much, apart from this one, which is going on now, and it looks absolutely amazing. But I'll update you guys on it tomorrow because of the fact that it's really dark now. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 weeks now, not the next day, and the reason why I don't really want to show you guys around the car all that much with these arches on is because there's nothing massively special to look at the moment. I have put some 15mm spacers on the car now, so they sit a lot nicer in the arches. Car looks really wide now, and it looks awesome. So I'm going to put a picture up of the car here for a moment, and you guys can see how it looks. But there'll be a catch-up video on the arches very soon when I get them all painted, etc. And we'll put them on and see how they look. But I'm very happy with that overall. I am having scrubbing issues at the moment, and I'm going to be getting some coilovers at some point, probably one of the next modifications I'm going to do to raise the front up a little bit. And I'm also going to have to cut the arches too in order to get those wheels to sit nicely in there without any rubbing on the turns and going over speed bumps, etc. That being said, the arches are all on now, and I'd like to give a massive shout out to Will for helping me fit them in this video. Will's a very good friend of mine, and you guys can check out his Instagram down below, and it will also be on the screen now. He's got a really awesome black edition, which we'll be doing a review video on at some point soon in the future, as well as many other review videos on many other different cars. It is a bit of a cliffhanger really, but I couldn't get it all done in one video. The arches are on, they're secure, they haven't had any issues, but I will be getting them painted and getting the fitment right. But yeah, that's everything guys. Until next time, you stay frosty, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.